Kinara wa ODM Raila Amolo Odinga anatambulikana kwa ajili ya kazi yake ambayo ameweza kuifanya kwa miaka mingi katika Jamhuri ya Kenya, ndipo kuleta umoja na uwiano katika jamii yetu. Ila pia Raila anatambulikana kama mzazi ambaye ameyaweka maisha ya wanawe mbali sana na vyombo vya habari na maisha ya familia yake. Ila kuna mengi ambayo tunayafahamu kuhusiana na wanawe Raila Odinga, na wale ambao wanatajwa sana ni ikiwemo Raila Odinga Junior ambaye amejihusisha mara nyingi na siasa za babake, pamoja na Winnie Odinga ambaye aliteuliwa kama mbunge wa kuiwasilisha Kenya katika bunge la Afrika Mashariki. Ila bintiye wa kwanza Raila Odinga, Rosemary Odinga, atajui sana katika siasa za babake na ameweza kujificha kutokana na vyombo vya habari na kumaintain a very private lifestyle. Leo tunazamia katika maisha yake binti Raila Odinga wa kwanza, ingawa yeye ndiye mtoto wa pili wa Raila Odinga baada ya nduguye ambaye aliaga dunia, Fidel Castro Odinga. Rosemary Odinga is the eldest daughter and second child of ODM leader Raila Odinga and Mama Ida Odinga. Born on August 13, 1977, Rosemary is the eldest of Winnie Odinga and Raila Odinga Jr., save for the late Fidel Castro Odinga, who was the firstborn in the family. Through the course of her life, the 44-year-old has had a fair share of challenges in life, most notable, almost going blind. According to her biography, Rosemary began her education at the Kilimani Junior Academy, where her late brother Fidel also attended at the same time. They had a normal childhood up until 1982, when Raila Odinga was detained following the attempted coup on late former President Mzee Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi's government. Ida, a teacher at the time, was forced to transfer children to a public school. This, however, proved a challenge, as most schools hence feared angering President Moi at the time. Their grandfather, the late Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, intervened and they were admitted at Consolata Primary School in Westlands. It was here that she changed her faith from the Anglican Church to the Roman Catholic. During an interview with Nation on April 10, 2016, Rosemary narrated that they spent little time with their father, as he was always in and out of detention while they were kids. Kids from their class were afraid to interact with them, and their house was raided and ransacked so many times. Their mother, who was their sole breadwinner, also suffered several arrests at the time. However, we were very close to my siblings. We played regular games like football, bird hunting, made dolls of clay and maize combs, went fishing and swimming in the Nairobi rivers, she stated. After high school, Rosemary moved to the United States, where she worked and studied for a decade. She holds a bachelor's degree in sociology from Howard University and an MBA in marketing from the University of Dallas. According to her biography, her career, Rosemary is a snail farmer and regarded as one of the biggest snail farmers in Africa. She is an entrepreneur, an advocate for social justice. She is also a devout advocate for youth empowerment and development. During the interview with The Nation, she revealed that she is also the patron of the Upper Hill School rugby team. She founded Raila Odinga Center, ROC, in 2017, where she served as the chief executive officer of the CEO of the foundation, which was aimed at supporting youth education across East Africa. Rosemary also joined her father's presidential campaign team in 2007, a role she played again in the year 2013 when she was a member of the lobby group called Nairobi for Raila. In 2017, she intended to contest the Kibera constituency parliamentary seat, but was forced to shelve her political ambitions due to a medical problem. The mother of two suffered two aneurysms, a brain tumor, and a stroke. An aneurysm is an enlargement of an artery caused by weakness in the arterial wall. The tumor affected her eyesight and she visited hospital outside the country as she sought treatment. During an interview with Citizen TV on December 16, 2018, Rosemary narrated the struggle she underwent while on the brink of losing her eyesight. She said, "Sometimes I would find myself crying, wondering what I should do. I just realized that suddenly I can't drive my car, I cannot cook the food I want to. I felt helpless that I cannot do things myself," she narrated. "I don't really see out of the left eye. I can see through the right eye, but it's foggy. It's like looking through a glass with water in it. I see mostly through the right eye, but I have the vision and I can see things that are very close to me." In 2019, Rosemary revealed that she had fully regained her eyesight and stopped using a walking stick. Speaking at St. Peter's ACK Church in Bondo, she said, "I saw my children for the first time in 2 years. It was a pain and a painful narration indeed." Raila Odinga, who spoke in the same church, revealed how the family nearly lost hope of Rosemary seeing again. "We got to the point where she nearly gave up as a family. We nearly gave up as a family after unsuccessfully visiting many hospitals, including those in Germany, China, and South Africa, before she was finally healed in India." In South Africa, it is said that they say that she will never gain a sight again. However, a friend introduced us to a doctor in India who used herbal medicine to help her recover, Raila said. Now, Rosemary is blessed with 2 daughters who she adores and says gave her the strength to fight through her illness. Na pia inatambulikana katika nchi yetu ya Kenya na pia katika ukanda wa Afrika Mashariki, amna mkulima ambaye anampiku Rosemary Odinga katika ukulima wa konokono. Konokono ni nini? Konokono ni snails, kama ufahamu kile ambacho nakiongelea. Na kukumbusha hii ni channel ya kwetu ya FMKE, mahali ambapo tunakujuza juu ya matukio tofauti ndani na nje nchi. Hivyo nakujulisha tu usibanduke kabla hujapata kusubscribe, maana mengi yatakuwa yanakupita. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Mimi ndimi mtangazaji wako FK Mwenda.